equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a soft brush, and a cloth. First, unplug the device to ensure safety. Next, remove the screws from the motor cover. Keep them in a safe place for later. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components visually. Look for any dust or debris that may affect performance. Use the soft brush to gently clean the motor and surrounding areas. Be careful not to damage any wires. After cleaning, wipe down the surfaces with a cloth. Reassemble the motor by placing the cover back and securing it with the screws. Remember, if you need help, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple service. Before any repair, we provide a quote so you know what to expect. Keeping your motor brush clean ensures it runs smoothly and lasts longer. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.